Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do software update in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and in the setting itself, if software update is available, it will be showing here. A software update is available. You can open or do it later. Okay. It will alert you in the starting itself, or otherwise go to the software update option here and click on download and install, and there will be one red dot over download and install, so that software update is available. You can understand from this red dot that your phone has a software update. Okay, click on it and here click on download and click on yes. It's being downloaded. Just wait. It's going 48%, 68. It's going very fast. 100% completed. And click on install now, or you can schedule install. Okay. So if you would like to install it immediately, click on install now, and Android system will update now. Just wait. So in this way you can easily check software update in your phone, and if it is available you can update it to latest version of Samsung One UI. One UI is loading. 25% completed, 30% completed, 35% completed, 36 completed, 37 completed, 40 completed, 41 completed, 42 completed. Software update needs longer time, just wait. 45 completed, 48% completed, 50% completed, download was very fast, but installation is still going on. Just wait. %63 completed, 64% completed, 67% completed, 74% completed, 77% completed, 94% completed, 6 more percentage to go, 95 completed, 100 completed, and your phone is being restarted again. Just wait. Samsung Galaxy logo appeared. It is powered by Android. Just wait. Just wait. One UI is optimizing our apps. 100% completed. Optimization 100% completed. Yes, software update has done. It is fully completed. And go to your phone and go to the settings page. There is no update is showing here. It is updated to latest version. Your phone has been updated. It's showing the information here. Software update has been completed now. So in this way you can easily do software update in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.